Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn how to say goodbye naturally using 5 idioms and 5 phrases. Let's start with the idioms. Number 1, keep in touch. It means stay in contact, don't lose contact. Example, it was great seeing you. Keep in touch. Let's meet again soon. Number 2, I'm out of here. It means a very informal way of saying you're leaving right now. Example, I'm tired, I'm out of here. See you tomorrow. Number 3, I've got to hit the road. It means you need to leave, often because you have to travel. Example, I've got an early flight, so I've got to hit the road. Number 4, I've got to run. It means you must leave quickly, often because you're in a hurry. Example, I'll message you later, I've got to run for my bus. Number 5, catch you later. It means a casual way of saying goodbye, especially when you expect to see the person again soon. Example, I'm off now, catch you later at the office. Now let's move on to the phrases. Number 6, talk to you later. It means you'll contact or speak to the person again soon. Example, I have to go now, talk to you later. Number 7, see you around. It means a friendly but informal goodbye, implying you'll probably meet again sometime. Example, thanks for the help, see you around. Number 8, so long. It means a slightly old-fashioned but still friendly way to say goodbye. Example, well, I have to go now, so long. Number 9, I'm off. It means short and casual for I'm leaving now. Example, it's getting late, I'm off. See you tomorrow. Number 10, until next time. It means a warm, sometimes slightly formal goodbye that suggests you'll meet again. Example, thanks for coming. Until next time then. That's all for today's goodbye idioms. Talk to you later. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.